Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Today's healing energy transmission is for anxiety. So work with this energy, use this energy if you're somebody who suffers from panic attacks or crippling anxiety or gets triggered easily in any kind of environment or social interaction. You can work with this energy. You may need to watch it several times. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine and that this is not a replacement for Western medicine. So work alongside a therapist or a doctor if you need help, but consider that this is an adjunct and an addition to whatever you're doing with your medical support. So go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. You can have eyes open, eyes closed. All you need to do to receive this energy is to affirm yes or nod. Bring your focused awareness to the place that you most commonly feel anxiety in your physical body. What is the source? Where is it centered? Where does it originate? What is the 0 point for the reaction in response to the trigger? Just take a deep breath into this area. Just allow yourself to receive this energy as it unwinds the compacted, dense, heavy energy that is easily triggered, easily tripped, easily reactivated as a response mechanism to an external stimulus. And if doing this session actually triggers the anxiety, just breathe with me, stay with it, because it will pass, and you're in a safe place right here, right now. This is a safe environment for it to be released, resolved, dissolved, absolved out of your field, out of your physical body. Okay, now you've pinpointed the place in the physical body. We're going to clear the mental realm. We're going to clear the emotional hook. We're going to clear the physical body of the sensation and feeling of anxiety. Just enough that my rattles got hooked. Clearing the mental realm. Aspect of you that becomes overwhelmed, feels like the walls are caving in, suffocating sensation. And we're just going to clear all of that. Shortens the breath. Take a deep breath for me. Now to the emotional aspect of self, The hormonal release, the chemical reaction, the infusion and flood of a chemical release in your body that has you spark and arc and respond just a vibration through your physical body, a frequency through your physical body. It's bringing the endocrine system into balance. The mechanism that triggers and responds and releases cortisol, releases adrenaline. We're just going to zero in on that mechanism right now. Okay, take a deep breath. This is the interface, the interplay between the mind, the body, the spirit, the little child within you that set a pattern of reaction to an action. You're going to create some spaciousness between the trigger and the response. And in this spaciousness, you can allow your nervous system just to settle and reset and ground. And trust that in this moment, it is safe. Go ahead and affirm with me 3 times. I am safe. I am safe. I am safe. Take another deep breath. Just going to clear some layers, right? Some crusty, old, outdated, rusty ideas, beliefs, habits, thought patterns that no longer serve, have kept you confined and trapped in old mental constructs. Just letting them dissipate, dissolve, goodbye, don't need you anymore. No longer embedded in the tissues and cells, no longer ready to activate at a moment's notice, right? Goodbye. Outdated, outmodeled, old behaviors. The new you, the version 2.0, upgrade. Now, if there is a trigger or any kind of negative energy that comes your way, or you're witnessing something that's disturbing, you're just going to roll off your back. It's kind of like water off a duck's back. Doesn't need to embed. Doesn't need to trigger. Hormonal system coming into balance. Fight or flight just being, settling down. Nervous system relaxing. And feeling the lungs. Take a beautiful deep breath all the way into the bottom of your lungs. You have all the air that you need. You have all the time that you need. You have all the spaciousness you need. free to be who you are. Nobody can take that away from you. Another deep breath into your heart. Bring your focus to the back of the heart. Deep breath in there. Calling on the spirit of lavender. Beautiful violet flowers that have a strong scent, natural calmative, nervous system relaxation, natural antiseptic, antifungal, beautiful, powerful spirit of lavender. Thank you, lavender. Thank you for your medicinal healing properties. Even if you don't have access to the oil or the plant, you can call in the spirit of this plant, which is presented today to be a part of this healing. Maybe you can sleep with it under your pillow. And finally, to say thank you to the feeling of anxiety. Maybe you have wished it wasn't there. Maybe you've had trouble accepting that you experienced this. Just to say thank you to the lesson of anxiety for teaching you a soul lesson, for teaching you about an aspect of self, for bringing your awareness to a memory, something that wanted to come to the surface, to be cleared, so that you could be empowered, so that you no longer have to walk and talk and act and live with this anxiety. And as I said, that this beautiful breeze just wafted in through the door. So the wind is with you, the element of air. Settle into this. Allow yourself a few days to settle into this feeling after this session. And if it heightens and amplifies the anxiety, allow it to pass. It will pass. Sometimes the energy amplifies, brings it really into focus. Just know that it will pass. Seek help if it's overwhelming. Ask for help. And now to anchor it in, take another deep breath. Thank you, my loves. Thank you for doing this work with me. Much love. Bless. Vision.